more joy. Hey guys, I am Chetna Makan and I am going to be cooking something super spicy today. I am making a stuffed chili curry. Yes, you heard that right. A stuffed chili curry. It is really easy. It is delicious. You can use any kind of chili you like. So if you can tolerate a lot of heat, you can choose a spicy chili. I am using a mild version, or you can use padron peppers, which is the Spanish peppers, which are kind of potluck. So you could get some really hot and some really mild. Going to start with one onion, and I'm going to finely chop this. Just got a nice hot pan, and I'm going to dry roast 120 grams of gram flour. The taste of raw gram flour is not very nice. So when you are cooking with gram flour, it's quite important that you dry roast it if you're using it as a filling, or if you're making any kind of sweets with this, because it makes a big difference. And yeah, that raw gram flour is not the nicest thing. So yeah, I can see there's a slight change in the color, and I can smell it already. That means it's done. It's very lightly golden now and smells quite beautiful. Half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, some ground coriander, some mango powder. This is dried mango powder, and if you can't get hold of this, just use some lemon juice instead, and also some desiccated coconut. Mix, and then we'll slowly add some water to make it into a nice thick paste. Just want a kind of spreading consistency. That's our stuffing ready. So I've got the washed chilies here, and I'm gonna just slit them open and just get rid of some of the seeds. So make sure that you don't slit through. I've just kind of opened the stomach, and the rest of the chili is intact. Now that these are done and ready, I'm just going to stuff these with the gram flour mix. So the idea is to kind of line the chili from the inside. So I'm using the same pan as I roasted the gram flour in. 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and then go in the chilies. Now I'm going to cook these on medium to low heat, just so they kind of get a bit of color and start to soften up. We've got a lovely color, softened up slightly, and it's time to get them out. Going to continue cooking in the same pan, just going to add a tablespoon more of oil. No need to wash it, that's absolutely fine. Some black mustard seeds go in, let them pop a little bit. And then goes in the onion. Just cook this until golden. Right, so I'm going to add in some ready garlic paste. You can just grate some fresh garlic and also going to add some tomato puree. Again, if you haven't got tomato puree, you can add some finely chopped fresh tomatoes, but in this particular recipe I prefer using the puree. So that goes in, and then just cook it for 2-3 minutes. That's looking lovely. I'm just going to add some spices, some turmeric powder, some garam masala, and also going to add a little bit of water. This particular recipe doesn't have loads of kind of gravy, so it's just enough to kind of coat the chilies. I'm very tempted to make my kids try this. Are you listening, camera guy? You might not finish my video. Right, so that's bubbling up. I'm also going to add a pinch of sugar just to balance it all out. And once it's bubbling away nicely, look at that beautiful, beautiful sauce. I'm going to gently add all the chilies in here. Next, I will lower the heat and cook this on really low heat for 5 minutes. Oh, joy. Also, we're going to just finish this with a pinch of salt because I haven't added any salt in the sauce. I'm not going to try and shake it too much, otherwise the chilies will break, and I definitely don't want that. Right, time to plate it up. I'm suddenly thinking, why do I taste food on camera? Because if these are very hot, then it'll be fun, wouldn't it? Oh, they do look really good though. Right, I've got to eat this. It's hot, and it might be hot chili wise as well. Oh my god, it's hot. Woo! This is going to go so well with some hot, piping hot chapatis or some rice and dal. I would suggest use a medium heat chili. I thought I was buying medium hot, but this is proper spicy chilies. That's going to be fun eating this tonight. I do hope you're going to give this a go. And really do enjoy this. I promise this is absolutely delicious, irrespective of the heat. Just buy absolutely mild chilies and do try this. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.